this is Boss Lady Shruti, and I actually had done a lot of shopping when I was in Dubai in December, and because मेरा थोड़ा ज़्यादा weight हो गया था, I had actually gotten all of that shipped to me, and because that shifting like by sea takes a little bit of time, I just received all of my stuff. So we are going to do a Dubai haul. One thing is that everyone thinks that Dubai is extremely expensive. You can only buy luxury and high-end things over there. But because I lived over there, I know of these khufia places where you can get really good stuff for a very, very affordable price. So let me show you everything I got. Also, Dubai se yaad aaya, like when I came back from Dubai, you guys know I was breaking out like crazy when I was over there. If you guys remember, Ramesh and Suresh, they were having a party right here on my face, and Mama was not about to take that. So honestly, the first thing I did was go back to basics, and I started using the Himalaya Purifying Neem face wash. I have used this face wash ever since I was in college, and this has always been my go-to. And I always, after a couple of months though, I always tend to go back to this because I know that this works really well.
This face wash is 100% naturally derived from neem and is designed to cleanse impurities and clear pimples. Neem is a powerful skincare ingredient known for its antibacterial properties. And the Himalaya Purifying Neem face wash kills 99.9% of pimple-causing bacteria and starts working from the first wash itself. It has skin-friendly pH that makes it very gentle on the skin and tough on the pimples. This is a soap-free and paraben-free formula
that is clinically proven to reduce pimples
and trusted by millions of consumers across India. This is now available on Amazon, Nykaa, Flipkart and Himalaya's official website, and you can check out the link below. You can get up to a minimum of 30% off, so definitely check it out.
I will leave the purchase links in the description box, so definitely check it out. I think this is a very nice budget-friendly face wash and works perfect. So now let me show you everything that I got from Dubai, which are affordable. So in this haul, I'm mainly going to show you shoes and bags which I got. So there is this area in Dubai called Al Rigga. So usually they have a lot of these gifting shops over there. My favorite shop over there to shop at is called Gifts for Less. They're just these, it's filled with shops like this that you can go to. But I have got some amazing deals on shoes, and the problem with shoes is that मुझे India में मेरे size के वो flats, ballerinas नहीं मिलते हैं. So whenever I go to Dubai, I get like 7-8 pairs, which is exactly what I did. Starting off first with these off-white sort of loafers. These were for 25.99, so 26 dirhams almost, which is around like 600 rupees or so. I think the quality of this is really nice. It also has that nice cushioning, and this would look great on formal wear. I am totally in my corporate girl era, so you will definitely see a lot more like loafers and like closed toe shoes in this. I think shoes like these are super versatile and a must-have in everyone's wardrobe. Next up are these floaters. What are these? These are floaters, right? I used to wear these school ke time pe during rainy season, but they didn't look this cute. I got them because I thought they were very like cool. Pretty Gen Z coded also, even though I'm a millennial, but I do enjoy some things which are Gen Z. They look really cool with like a pair of cargos, and I literally live in my cargo pants, which are so comfortable. And I feel these would be great while traveling as well, so that is why I got them. Also, very, very high quality. These were for 20.99, so 21 dirhams, which is a great deal. Next up are these blue ballerinas. These were for 17.99, so these were for 18 dirhams. So stunning, looks amazing with a pair of jeans. Personally speaking, I like wearing closed shoes. I just feel like I have really big feet. They don't look good in like open-toed shoes. Other than if you have like floaters or something of that sort, I like my foot closed maximum number of times. So you will see me pick up a lot of these ballerinas. They are like my favorite thing. They are like my favorite casual footwear to wear when I'm out and about. I love the gold detailing on this. I've actually worn it a couple of times already. So they are supremely comfortable. I love that all of them have this cushiony sole, which feels very, very comfortable, and yeah, love it. Next up are these black ballerinas. Again, these are amazing when you want to wear something formal. I like that they are closed-toed. I love the bow detailing, and again, very, very soft and cushiony. I believe this was also between 20 and 25 dirhams, which is between 500 to 600 rupees. Again, amazing deal, amazing quality, and I think this is going to last me a very, very long time. Next up are these 10 beauties right here. These are also, I believe, between 20 and 25 dirhams. And I love shoes that have these kind of gold detailing. I think they look very expensive and very, very comfortable. Even though they are not very expensive, they look very like chic and they make your feet like put together. I think these would look great when you're wearing some high-waisted pants or even like a nice pencil skirt. These would look so nice and they are absolutely comfortable. And for a tall girly like me, I like having comfortable flat shoes which are not boring to look at. Otherwise, the affordable options that you get over here, or even the ones that you get at your Linking Road and all, they just do not fit me because my feet are very, very big and they just don't have my sizes. So when I go to Dubai, I stock up. Next, I got two really chic handbags. This is the first one. I love how this looks. It is such a sleek bag. I love the handle on this. It fits perfectly right here. Not too long, not too short, not too long, which is perfect. Fits a ton of my things inside, which is also great. And I love the silver chain and detailing that it has. Again, I like things which are affordable but perform expensive and look expensive. That is something that I really look for when I buy things, because a lot of times when you buy cheap, it also looks cheap, and that is not what we like. And the quality of this and the style of this, I think, looks very stunning and is very, very versatile. So loved this purchase. Next up is this handbag baby right here. I think this looks perfect with what I'm wearing right now. Again, a piece which was probably around 30 dirhams, which is about say 700 rupees, but looks like if this was kept at Charles & Keith, you could easily pay 3,000 rupees and you would think that this is worth it. But I got it for 700. My favorite thing about this purse is this latch. I think it is very cool. I don't have anything like this with me. Again, fits a ton of my things inside. We will not get into what is there in the handbag because, no. But this comes with a long chain as well, so you can style it however you like. You can wear it as a crossbody, you can carry it as a handbag, whichever way you like. Personally, this style, I like just carrying it as is. I just carrying it like this. I don't like this in the crossbody style personally for me, but you have that option if you want. So yes, that is everything that I got. Those are all the shoes, handbags, accessory kind of things that I got. I will make a part 2 of the other things that I got because everything in one video will just be too long. And so yeah, let me know in the comments down below which one was your favorite. Honestly, I am very happy with the bags that I got this time from Dubai. I do not have anything like that in my collection, and I think they are such a steal for that price. Like, I'm super happy. So yeah, let me know in the comments below which one was your favorite, and subscribe to my channel. Subscribe to my channel if you already haven't, and hit that notification bell to be notified every time makes a video. And like I always say, keep it bossy. Mwah.